emotional, sentimental, gone back to the memories of the institute times. Same here also. I was just recalling when the lecturer would start with the lecture. There used to be that shooting question, like a shooting arrow. It used to go right through the body, or like a bullet, it used to go through the body. Remember, the lecture always started with that question.
Why is it called as Black Forest cake?
Then was the soft explanation of what the lecturer was going to do, what the lecturer was going to tell us all about. Like,
so let's start making the cake. I would show you the ingredients first and how to mix the products.
Then why the lecturer was doing a certain thing in a certain manner. Like,
नहीं यार, कोई छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, सब सीख के तो आते हैं यहाँ पे। तो भाई और बहनों, वीडियो का मजे लो और इससे जरूर सीखो।
and those lovely, those beautiful, those knowledge-filled tips that they used to give us, which till date we remember.
Over here one trick is there कि जो ऊपर का पार्ट रहता है केक का वो हमेशा जाता है नीचे, एंड जो नीचे का पार्ट रहता है वो जाता है केक के ऊपर। क्यों?
And then what our interaction with the our interaction with other people was like, what the other people would tell us and what we have to do. Ultimately, where is that balance between what maybe the vendor will tell us and what we are going to do? Remember?
Usually in a non-stick cake tin, what they say that this paper is not required, but why I have put it over here is, क्या होता है कि
and then the closing, making of the product, the closing of the product.
cream यहाँ नहीं लगा है and it is uneven and all that, and you are going to be putting a lot of decorations over the cake. Those faults get covered with the decorations that you're going to be putting on the cake. So how you're going to see it now? You can see the cake that is little bit uneven and it's incomplete. So you will be seeing the final product.
I thought let's relive the experience. Let's go back into the memories and attend a class with a lecturer, with a very young lecturer by the name of Apurva. She's very well known to me. So let's hand over the stage to Apurva and let her teach us whatever dish she wants to make. Right? So, there, Apurva, please go ahead.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope you all are having a safe and good time in this COVID pandemic situation. My name is Apurva and I belong from Goa basically, and I am here today to talk and to give you few tips on baking of cake. So today is a small occasion in my house, and that's the reason I said why not I turn it into a special occasion. So what I'm going to be doing over here today, I'm going to bake a Black Forest cake, giving you tips on how to make cake in-house and how a professional chef works in-house. Before we start, let me give you a brief background of mine. I have passed out of Culinary College, which is in Hyderabad. That's called as Culinary Academy of India. And talking about where I've worked with Fairmount Jaipur. I've got trained in Softel Bombay, and after that I am now presently working as a lecturer in a college where I teach students how to build a foundation of proper culinary assets. And this is basically a chef coat which I have worn, which is of IFCA, and I'm a part of team of IFCA conference chefs team, which happens in Delhi every year. Talking about making this video, I got an opportunity from a special family chef of ours who is very well renounced, and he is very special to me. And his name is Chef Ashok. So let's start making the cake. I would show you the ingredients first and how to mix the product. So guys, these are the ingredients over here what we are going to be using to make Black Forest cake. So this is flour, which is measured and kept. That's 200 grams of flour. This is baking soda and baking powder, which is again all together mixed and kept over here, which comes up to 5 grams of the entire product. This is oil. You can also use butter. Butter of 500 grams can be used, and instead of using butter, I'm using oil. This oil is basically olive oil, which is healthy for us also. This is powdered sugar. You can use castor sugar for better results, but castor sugar is not available in every market. So what I have done to make it simpler, I'm using powdered sugar, which is available in every household items. And last over here is the cocoa powder. I'm using cocoa powder to make the Black Forest cakes because obviously it is very well known that the sponge has to be in chocolate flavor. Last what I'm going to be using is Milkmaid. This gives a texture, it gives a volume to your cake and also sweetness. So guys, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. So this is basically a strainer, a sifter, what you can call it, where you are mixing all the dry ingredients in this, and what I have to do is I'm just pressing the handle and it gets strained and mixed all together. So in this I have put all my dry ingredients and ये अच्छे से mix होके नीचे आएगा. The cocoa powder, the flour, everything is getting mixed very nicely and coming down. What it helps us to do over here is when we add the liquid ingredients, that is your oil and Milkmaid, no lumps are formed when we add the ingredients. So this is helping me to mix all the flour, the cocoa powder, the baking powder and everything together. So once all the flour and all the dry ingredients are mixed, now what we are going to add is oil, Milkmaid and a little bit of milk, because when we add oil and Milkmaid it becomes too thick. So to reduce the thickness, what we are going to do is we are going to be adding milk to it. Now as you see, the batter is too thick. So what I am going to do over here is I am going to be adding the milk. It's beautifully falling off the whisk, and that's the drop consistency that we call it for cake batters. ये अगर ऐसा गिर रहा है मतलब आपका बैटर ब्यूटीफुली रेडी है. अभी एक मेजर थिंग मैं आपको बोलती हूँ. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं एक विस्क लेके क्यों कर रही हूँ, इसमें तो डबल होना चाहिए, ये आपका आइडिया होगा. लेकिन मैं आपको बता दूं कि अगर हम there are different types of cakes. एक होता है पाउंड केक, एक होता है टी केक, एक होता है जस्ट नॉर्मल केक. Normal cake क्या है? There is nothing called as normal cake and abnormal cake. I'll be very straight. But in layman's language, we call it as a normal cake. Normal cake is something which we use to cut birthday parties or any inaugurations. So these cakes are basically based on aeration. लेकिन too much aeration also causes lot of problem. क्या होता है कि जब aeration मतलब we are creating air bubbles into the cake. Why do we require air bubbles? So that the sponginess that is required in a cake forms proper pockets inside the cake. So I'll be showing you what pockets I'm talking about after the cake is baked. So for now, this is the batter that is ready. This is ready to go into the oven. Oven ke temperature is going to be 180 degrees. And at home, since I'm making it in a home oven, I'll be showing you what oven I'm using. And after that, it's going to go in for 180 degrees for 40 minutes. So that's here from my side. So here our batter is ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a cake tin. Now this cake tin, what I'm using is an aluminium cake tin, which is non-stick. Okay, and what I have done over here is I have put a butter paper, also known as parchment paper, available in all bakery stores and everything. Usually in a non-stick cake tin, what they say that this paper is not required, but why I have put it over here is, क्या होता है कि air जब aeration मतलब जो air केक के अंदर पहुंचना चाहिए and जो heat पहुंचना चाहिए वो कभी-कभी पहुंचता नहीं है, and what happens is it doesn't give enough heat on the bottom of the cake, and वो जब निकालते हैं हम केक बहुत moisture रहता है and it remains very wet. So to avoid that, I have put this butter paper over here. So what we are going to do is now I'm going to just put all the batter over here, and my oven is already set. I have heated the oven on 180 degrees for 10 minutes. It's already heated and kept. Why am I heating the oven? So that when the heat process starts, it doesn't take time to start. So if I've heated the oven and kept, the heat is already generated in the oven, and that helps the cake to start cooking in a more faster way. Why we require the cake to start in a faster way is because when we put the cake in the oven, the batter should not settle down. If the batter settles down, the cake will not rise when it has to rise. So that's a very minus point, a negative point when you're baking cakes. So always make sure that your oven is preheated according to the cake you're making. I have put the batter in this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it 2 dabs. 1, 2. Why? So that extra जो air bubbles है उसमें निकल जाएगा and we don't have any problem in baking it. So now my cake goes in for baking on 180 degrees for 40 minutes, guys. Do remember that 40 minutes, not more, not less. Yes, also depends on the oven that you use. So guys, I have put it in this oven. It is here. Okay, my oven is heated. I'm closing it. Now this is a convention oven which is of Panasonic. So what I'm doing over here, I'm touching convention and I'm going to put it for 40 minutes and start. जब तक ये prepare होता है, I'm going to do the other preparation. So guys, the cake is being baked and I have taken it out of the oven. I will be showing you what the baked product looks like and what are the second stage ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the Black Forest cake. Now the ingredients that I'm going to be used, I have already kept it ready and I will tell you what ingredients I have used and how I have made them also. So you can see over here, this is the cake that has been baked. I have already cut it into 2 halves. This is the second half. Now over here one trick is there कि जो ऊपर का part रहता है केक का वो हमेशा जाता है नीचे, एंड जो नीचे का पार्ट रहता है वो जाता है केक के ऊपर। क्यों? क्योंकि जो ऊपर का पार्ट रहता है केक का हमेशा मॉइस्ट पोर्शन होता है, वो है ऊपर का, जो नीचे का पार्ट होता है वो ऊपर जाता है। अब इसके बाद इसमें जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स जाएंगे वो है whipped क्रीम, जो आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, इट इज ऑलरेडी whipped एंड kept over here. Whipped cream. There's dark compound chocolate. You get this company's compound chocolate in the market, available easily. It's Black Forest cake, so definitely cherries have to be there. And the sugar syrup. Now this sugar syrup is 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water I have taken over here. And in that I have put cut cherries and bark of cinnamon. I have put all this and boiled it all together. इसमें क्या होता है कि जब हम cinnamon and cherries को sugar के साथ मिलाते हैं तो इसका जो flavors है वो पूरे उभर के निकल आते हैं। अगर वो नहीं हुए तो हमारा जो केक है वो पूरा ड्राई रहेगा एंड उसका टेस्ट नहीं आएगा। Major reason we put sugar syrup in the cake is because we want the cake to remain moist for a longer period of time. तो अगर आप केक सुबह को बना रहे हो और आप उसको शाम को काटने वाले हो, केक विल नॉट टर्न ड्राई, इट विल रिमेन मॉइस्ट एंड इट हैज अ बिट लॉन्गर शेल्फ लाइफ टू इट. So this was from my side a tip. So let's start with creaming the cake. So what I'm going to do over here is simply apply the juice over here on this cake, make it nice and wet, the sponge, and you will see how juicy the sponge becomes. It's up to you whether you want to put the cherries or not. I like the Black Forest cake to be maintained like that, so I am putting the cherries in between, and इसका juice अच्छे से मैं इसमें डालूँ. Now the juice has been put over here. I made sure that it is nice and soggy, the base over here. Make sure it is not too soggy, otherwise your cake will fall down. So the next step over here, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put whipped cream. Give it a nice spread. ना यार, एक मैं चीज बोलना चाहती हूँ, हम प्रोफेशनल जरूर हैं, लेकिन हम शेफ्स भी हैं एंड वी ऑल्सो वर्क इन द हाउस. It's not necessary that you need to have all the kind of equipments in your house. So what I'm going to be using over here, I'm going to be using a big knife. It's normally called a chef knife, and I'll be using this to spread the cream around. अब जरूरी नहीं है कि हम प्रोफेशनल्स होके हम घर पे नहीं पका सकते. Yes, we do cook at home, and not necessarily we need to have a modular kitchen in the house. We can cook with the normal equipments that we have in the house. So these are for all the people who think that we chefs only cook in modular kitchens and then only we are known as the great chefs, guys. So let's come back to the video and to the process of making the cake. So I have applied the whipped cream over here and I'm simply going to spread it around. A nice thick layer. And बहुत beautifully you have to just, it's an art. It's an art that you have to think that you can do it. It's not that हाँ सिर्फ अगर तुम शेफ हो तो तुम कर सकते हो. नहीं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. ये अगर आप अपने आप में बिलीव करते हो then definitely you can do it. It's not necessary कि नहीं हम बड़े शेफ्स नहीं है तो नहीं यार, कोई छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, सब सीख के तो आते हैं यहाँ पे. तो भाई और बहनों, वीडियो का मजे लो और इससे ज़रूर सीखो. So now मैंने क्रीमिंग डाल दिया है. I have now put the second layer on top. इसको अगेन मैं डालने वाली हूँ शुगर सिरप. ओके, नाइस शुगर सिरप ऑन टॉप. अच्छे पीसेस चेरीज के. यहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा शुगर सिरप नहीं डालना पड़ेगा because again the whole thing will be covered in whipped cream, so you can put a little bit less. Then comes your whipped cream. Again इसको अच्छे से आप लेयर में स्प्रेड कीजिए. ये इसका लेयर थोड़ा पतला रहेगा क्योंकि इसके ऊपर और अभी whipped cream आएगा. When I do the final finishing, you will get to see. Okay. तो मैंने इसको एकदम अनइवनली, जो कि स्प्रेड इट अनइवनली ऑल्सो बिकॉज इसका अभी ऊपर का कोटिंग करना बाकी है. Okay. So here you can see that I have layered the cake, I have creamed it up, and now what I am going to do is I am going to be putting it on this. This is a base which the cake needs to be there. So I am going to be putting it on this and then do the final finishing of the cake.
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे अभी मैंने इस केक को इसके ऊपर बेस के ऊपर डाल दिया है एंड आई हैव डन द एंटायर क्रीमिंग ओवर हियर. इट इज, इफ यू सी, इट इज वेरी रफ क्योंकि अभी इसके ऊपर गार्निशेस आएंगे विथ पाइपिंग बैग एंड शेविंग्स ऑफ चॉकलेट्स आएंगे. सो शेविंग्स ऑफ चॉकलेट्स विल कवर द एंटायर केक. सो स्मॉल टिप फॉर यू गाइज दैट व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग केक, अगर आप देखते हो कि थोड़ा सा क्रीम यहाँ नहीं लगा है एंड इट इज अनइवन एंड ऑल दैट एंड यू आर गोइंग टू बी पुटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डेकोरेशंस ओवर द केक, दोज फॉल्ट्स गेट कवर्ड विद द decorations that you're going to be putting on the cake. So how you're going to see it, now you can see the cake that is little bit uneven and it's incomplete. So you will be seeing the final product now next by getting it covered with chocolate shavings and the cherries and the piping of the cream. So and what I'm going to do is first I'm going to make flowers on the bottoms of it. It's very simple, you can see it. Press and it comes out. इधर फोकस इधर. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the flowers on top. So, on the edges itself. ये हो गया है आपके बॉर्डर्स केक के, जहाँ ऊपर और नीचे आपने कवर कर दिया है. अब नेक्स्ट होगा शेविंग्स ऑफ चॉकलेट विच विल कवर द एंटायर टॉप and the side of the cake. So this is the chocolate shavings that is ready over here. You can see मैंने खाली इसको chocolate का slab लिया है and I have just with a peeler I have done the shavings. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just spread it on top over here. You have to just make sure that इसका जो white color का जो दिख रहा है आपको वो cover हो जाए. Okay. And same thing goes on the side also. Side में मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I'm just sprinkling it on the cake so that ये अपने आप चिपक जाता है केक में. आपने देख लिया यहाँ पे मैंने पूरे केक को चॉकलेट शेविंग से कंप्लीट कर दिया है. एंड द फाइनल वन व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू बी डूइंग इज फाइनल पाइपिंग on the cake. इसके ऊपर एक फाइनल टच जाएगा, दैट इज योर चेरीज. And this is your Black Forest cake, guys. Do enjoy the video. Do subscribe the channel also in the end. And before I sign off, I was going to tell you why is it called as Black Forest cake. So the story behind of why is it called Black Forest cake is basically there was a forest in somewhere in the north side in Atlanta, where the forest once upon a time was always covered with snow, and there were trees, but those trees were not green as such and not even brown. They were just dark, and in the night when you would see those forests, it would look exactly like this. Why cherries are there is because the trees were of those cherries, and that's the reason it was called as a black forest. मतलब अंधेरा जब होता था वहाँ पे पूरा अंधेरा रहता था, एंड स्नो की वजह से the trees would get covered and it would look so beautiful in the night with the sky dark, with like good stars in the sky, and that darkness would create such a beautiful environment over there. From that place comes the Black Forest cake, and here's what is Black Forest cakes look like. Do enjoy the video, do subscribe, and once again thank you Chef Ashok for giving me this opportunity to come on a YouTube channel with you, along with subscription and giving me a chance to present my skills over here. Thank you so much, guys. Namaste, and do subscribe the channel.
Well, friends, how was the class? Fantastic, isn't it? How were the tips? How was the knowledge? How was everything? How was your experience? Did you relive your times in your institute classes? Well, that was the idea. Well, friends, till the time we meet again with another video, with another recipe, please do give your feedback in the comments. And with that is thanks from Raj. Have a nice time. Bye.